Listen up, veterans and first responders. A major shift just hit the wire, and it could change the game for your job search. President Trump's administration is offering federal workers a chance to take a severance package and leave their jobs. We're talking about 2 million workers. This move could save the government up to $100 billion annually. But for you, the transition from military to civilian life just got a whole lot more competitive. Whether you're a battle-tested veteran or a first responder who's seen the heat of the moment, you're no stranger to uncertainty. But here's the truth. This policy could impact the job market in ways you might not expect. Let's break it down and figure out how to stay mission ready as you adapt to these changes. Time's ticking. This new federal mandate is changing the landscape fast. With the right strategy, you can turn this challenge into a tactical advantage. Stay in control of your future and secure the win by adapting quickly. Your leadership and problem-solving abilities are in high demand, and it's time to showcase them. Don't let the increased competition from former federal employees overwhelm you. Let's build your mental fortitude. The job market is a battlefield, and only those who adapt to the shifting environment will thrive. In this mission brief, we're covering the severance offer and its potential impact on the job market. Why this matters to you as a veteran or first responder. What actionable steps you can take to keep your career on offensive and outpace the competition. Now let's get into it. What's happening with this new mandate and how does it affect the job market for veterans and first responders? Here's the intel. That's 2 million federal workers getting the green light to leave their posts. The White House estimates that 5 to 10% of them will accept this offer. For you as a veteran or first responder, this creates a change in the battlefield. The federal workforce is shrinking, and this could open doors, but it's not without its challenge. Many of those leaving the federal sector will likely target private sector jobs, making the civilian job market even more competitive. This means you could be going toe-to-toe with highly skilled former federal employees who have a wealth of experience. They'll be stepping into the private sector, and you'll need to be ready for the fight for opportunity. So, how do you adapt to this new battlefield and outmaneuver your competition? And here's the question for you. Do you think that this influx of federal workers will add more pressure to your job search, or do you see it as a chance to assert your dominance in the private sector? Let me know what you're thinking in the comments. Here's your game plan. The mission is clear, but it's going to require quick thinking and strategic moves. Expand your battlefield, broaden your search. While federal positions may get lighter, the private sector is still wide open. Veterans and first responders are highly valued for their experience in leadership, problem solving, and managing high-stress situations. Leverage these skills in areas like law enforcement, security, disaster response, and project management. But now you need to be on alert, because you'll be competing with former federal workers who may also target these roles. Use tactical tools. AI tools like Jobscan and Resumake are your new weapons. These tools break down your military and first responder experience into civilian-friendly language and helps you target exactly the right positions. Jobscan will scan job descriptions and help tailor your resume so you're aligned with what employers want. No more getting lost in the shuffle. And Resumake gives you the tools to create a resume that's streamlined and professional, making sure your experience speaks to civilian employers. How about upskill for new frontiers? Now is the time to upskill. Industries like tech and healthcare are booming, and your ability to handle pressure and lead teams is exactly what they need: data analysis or healthcare management. Stay mission ready by gaining experience in sectors where your leadership can give you a tactical advantage. Consider brushing up on skills like cybersecurity. Network and build your unit. Never go solo. Networking is a force multiplier. Reach out to others in your field, attend industry events, and make connections on LinkedIn. You're building a team. The more people you know, the more opportunities you'll uncover. Don't wait for the job offers to come to you. Take that initiative. I've included links to some of those most effective programs for veterans and first responders in the description. These programs like SkillBridge and Hire Heroes USA provide you with free tools and resources to help with job placement, resume building, and interview prep. Make sure to check them out. These are the resources that will give you the edge you need in this competitive job market. Let me tell you about John Cotton, a former Army Ranger. When John transitioned to civilian life, he hit roadblocks, just like many veterans. He struggled to break down the military experience for civilian employers, but John didn't quit. He adapted, leveraging resources like Hire Hero USA and using tools like Jobscan. Today, he's a project manager at a top consulting firm, climbing the ranks because he embraced new challenges and used his leadership and problem-solving skills. What steps are you taking today to position yourself for success in this shifting job market. How can you take control of your career and outsmart the competition? The federal hiring freeze and the severance offer may have thrown a grenade into the job market, but it doesn't have to derail your mission. By adapting your strategy, leveraging AI tools, and expanding your network, you can stay one step ahead and secure your future. If you're a veteran or first responder navigating these changes, let's talk about it. Drop a comment below and share your strategy for staying ahead in this competitive market. We'll dive into the best resume strategies for veterans. Missing that one could mean missing your next big opportunity. Stay mission ready, and I'll see you right here.